In front of me is LENOVO TAB P12 PRO, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this tablet. First of all, you need to find Recorder app and click on it. After that, choose while using the app and allow. Then click on this red button to start recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to end it and save it, click on this left one over here. Then name your recording however you wish to and click on OK. As you can see, mine is over here. You can play it by clicking on it. You can also delete it by holding it, choosing this bin icon at the top right corner and selecting your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!